Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a system restore point. Firstly, what is a system restore point? A system restore point is a feature in Windows operating system that allows you to revert your computer state to a previous point in time. This can be particularly useful if you encounter system problems or instability after installing software, driver, or updates. Now, what are the importance of system restore points? Recovery from systems failure, undo harmful changes, protection against malware, and also it is easy to use. Without wasting more time, let's dive into the process. Now, to create a system restore point, you need to enter your search bar and type restore. The dialog will open and click. Now, come down to system properties and click on the icon that says create a restore point right now for the driver that has system protection turned on. Now click on create. So today, now write any day which will identify the day the restore point was created, so that whenever you want to do a system restore point, you can easily identify the day which you want to restore. Now let's say today is July. Today is July 27, 2024. Let me just add today. Okay, now click on create. As you can see, the restore point is currently creating. In a few moments from now to be done. So this process is good for a system. For majority of the times it might happen. So you can see now, look at the information. So the restore point was created successfully. As you can see now, the restore point is done. Okay. Whenever you have any system issue that you want to do a system restore point, which you just created earlier, now to access it back, whenever you want to revert back, if you have driver issue, sound issue, or any other issue which was working before the restore point was created, now follow the same process and click on search bar, type restore. Now restore dialog box will appear. Go to the option that says you can do system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. Now click on the system restore. You can see now restore files and settings. The system can help you. Problems might be making your system run slowly or stop responding. Now click on next. Look at the one I just created now, July 27, 2024, that I have today. You can see now. Once you click next now and click to tell you today's date, time, everything, so immediately you click on finish, it will start recovery and your system will reboot after some time. Then the restore point, your computer or your PC will come back to the point where it was before the restore point was created. Thank you.